Hello guys, today we're going to do the top 5 we have. That was seriously funny. Let's go.
No manches, there's a guy here.
Where's Denise?
Ah, shit.
She's too capable. Oh, there's She's going upstairs now. Go to the floor, whatever she is.
Pendejo.
Yay.
Dennis!
Wait, you go first. Go check. Dennis.
Dennis.
That someone keeps calling for the elevator.
I know, right?
That's annoying.
But it's fun. Dennis. Girl. No manches, way.
This game is glitchy.
The guy's like, ooh, a lady.
What?
He went up. Okay, the elevator crashed. Never mind. No manches! Who's calling for the freaking elevator?
Who? Dennis.
Dennis. What the heck?
Take me up to 4.
Dennis!
She's outside. What the heck? What happened to me? Bye.
Pendejo. Oh, no manches.
Hey, I'm over here. Baton. Hurry up. Hi, I'm waiting. What the heck?
What? Where are you?
I'm upstairs in the 6.
Come on.
I'm in the 6.
What the heck?
Okay, fine.
You'll be last. Come on.
There's nothing down there.
Okay, that's it.
Get me up to the house. Hurry up! We have to find Dennis. Oh, Dennis is in there. Come on. She's right there.
Yeah. What? Just jump!
She just lost the privilege.
Okay, let's go to 1.
Oh no, this guy.
Okay, come on, guys.
Danny says love.
He said hi.
To who? To who? To who? Maybe say. What the heck? No.
Come on, girl. Come on, I know you want this guy.
He's mine.
Like, I'm not messing with you.
Danny. Okay, go, Danny. No.
No,
Go, Castelli.
Oh, go.
Go. Go close to the wall. Go close to the wall.
Yeah, Dennis. Come on, princess. Whatever your name is. Dennis.
Oh my God.
Estamos recogiendo personas.
Number 2. Two. We just need 3 more. I think 3 more. Where's the person left and Dennis flew away? So 3 more.
Are you recording this?
Yep, I am.
Did you record the part when Dennis flew away?
Yep. It'd be funny if natural disaster. Dennis was like that. And then,
Okay.
oh my God! Help me.
This should be on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, I am. Dennis, go. It's your turn. Do you like my face, Dennis? She's just showing off her butt. Oh my gosh.
Where's Dennis?
She was like over there. Go over here. We're just messing with that.
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh.
No manches.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This time whisper. Try not to laugh. Laugh. 4. We just need 1 more.
Please follow lightcupcake1234.
We might make
Roblox.
2 more because we just want to make you guys and make you laugh. Oh my gosh.
Where are you?
Oh my gosh. I flew away. Sorry. I flew away. Where's Denny's? She flew away?
And then tomorrow we're gonna play murder mystery together, okay?
Okay. Yeah, but you'll come back. I have to do my homework.
Where's Dennis? Dennis!
Dennis. Right here. Let me check. Oh my gosh, Dennis.
Yes, she is.
She
I don't know
is
what
here.
She is. Oh, you have to be kidding me.
What do you mean you have to be? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
You see like a short box. That's what I see. I don't know what
I
I see.
know this video is boring because of the elevator thing. It's just that it's fun.
It's funny use. Oops. Okay, let's go on the water.
You want to? No!
Bye. I was just kidding. The heck? Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna jump on your head.
You get stuck.
No, Mom, I was gonna fall.
You flew away. Last time you flew away.
How about that was a crash?
And yeah, we're gonna play murder mystery together. Do you guys want to know?
This is the end of this episode.
Well, we need 1 more. Okay, 1 more.
Fine.
Okay, I'll do the funny one.